Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cookie and I'm glad to have you here. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to take care of your hair whilst in protective styles. So let's just get into it, okay? But yes, this is glowing. I know, don't tell me, stop it. If you're new here, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and leave some beautiful encouraging comments for your sis, because she's new to this. Okay, so today, as I said, I'm going to show you how to maintain your hair whilst in protective styles. This is my hair. It looks a mess, I know, but we're gonna do something about it. Okay, I've had this hair on for a month. Okay, yes, I've had it for a month and I'm loving it, and I don't want to get rid of it just yet, so I'm going to keep it on for a few more weeks, maybe 2. But yeah, we are going to clean my scalp and then moisturize it. So these are the products we're going to be using. We are going to be using the Belstar Anti-Itch Scalp Spray. This is it. We are going to be using my favorite, magic oil. Do you see? Can you see? Oh gosh. Okay. But this is it anyway. Magic oil, scalp massager, cotton, aloe vera juice. Okay, so when you're in protective styles, okay, you don't have to just neglect your hair. You are still supposed to be taking care of your scalp, keep it clean, keep it moisturized. And today I'm going to be cleaning my scalp because I've had my braids on for about a month and I want to keep it longer, and I don't want my scalp to be blocked from getting all the nutrients that it deserves, and I don't want products build up. So I'm going to clean my scalp, then re-moisturize. You know, usually when you clean your scalp, depending on the products you use, it's gonna leave a bit of dryness, so you have to re-moisturize after that. And I'm going to be using the Belstar Anti-Itch Scalp Spray to be cleaning my scalp because it's really good. It's really good.
To start with, I would spray the anti-itch directly onto my scalp. Then I would spray some amount of it onto the ball of cotton and thoroughly clean my scalp with the cotton to get rid of any oils or any product buildup I have acquired over the past couple of weeks. I will do this till I am confident that my scalp has been thoroughly cleaned. When cleaning your scalp, ensure that you do not forget to clean your edges and around your perimeter, including the hair around the nape of your neck, because all these places collect products buildup and a lot of oils. Next, I apply the aloe vera juice all over my scalp to help moisturize my scalp. Now I'm using the aloe vera juice as my leave-in conditioner to add moisture to the strands of my hair and to my scalp. And I make sure to rub it in properly so that my hair can absorb it, because I have low porosity and as such it's quite difficult for my hair to easily absorb moisture. Finally, I seal in the moisture from the aloe vera with my magic oil. I either dip my finger into the bottle and apply it directly onto my scalp, or I use a dropper. In this case, I use the dropper to easily apply the oil onto my scalp, and then I use my fingers to work it in thoroughly. What's a moisture routine without a scalp massage? Scalp massages are very beneficial in your hair routine. They help to ease stress, promote relaxation, stimulate blood vessels beneath your skin to encourage hair growth, and they also help to increase hair thickness. Guys, you don't want to leave this out of your routine. Give yourself some scalp massage to help you relax every night.
So that's a wrap. all done, and then you just style and go. You could do this once a week or once every 2 weeks just to keep your scalp refreshed and clean, and it will enable the scalp to be able to absorb all the nutrients that you get from applying your oils or your moisturizing that you do in between. If you want me to show you how no, actually just showed you how I moisturize my hair. That's how I moisturize my hair every 2 to 3 days. Yes, that's how I moisturize my hair every 2 to 3 days. So I just spray the aloe vera juice. I use the aloe vera juice as my leave-in conditioner. You can either use this or you can use leave-in conditioner in water with some oils. Okay, so I use the aloe vera juice and then I seal in with my magic oil, and then I use my scalp massager to massage it in and to help my scalp improve blood circulation to help with hair growth. So that's basically it. So when you finish, you style and go. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are an old subscriber, thank you for watching. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for liking my videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So see you.